Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install extensions on your Safari browser on your Mac operating system. Let's get started. First, open the Safari browser. Once it's open, you'll see the Safari menu in the menu bar at the top. To install an extension, click on the Safari option in the menu. Next, select Safari Extensions, which will open the App Store. Here, you'll see a list of top free and paid extensions, such as Notion Web Clipper and AdBlock. You can also explore other extensions, like Tab Space. To install an extension, click Get next to the one you want to install, then click Install. You'll be prompted to log in with your Apple ID. Once logged in, you may be asked if you want to use Touch ID for future purchases. Select Not Now if you prefer not to use it. After installation, you'll see a notification in Safari saying a new extension is available. Click Turn on Extension, and the extension will be activated. For example, once the Notion Web Clipper is enabled, you'll see its logo in the Safari toolbar. To customize or manage the extension, right-click its logo and choose Manage Extensions. This will open a list of your installed extensions, where you can uninstall any you don't need. Alternatively, you can go to Safari in the menu bar, select Settings, then click on Extensions to view and manage your extensions. From here, you can also click More Extensions to browse and install more extensions directly from the App Store. And that's how you can install and manage extensions on Safari on your Mac. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.